Rebuilding trust methods to restore and maintain healthy relationships. Agenda: understanding the nature of trust, consequences of broken trust, principles and steps for rebuilding trust, practical strategies and tools for trust restoration, sustaining trust in the long term. Defining trust in personal and professional contexts. Core elements of trust. Trust is built on integrity, competence, and benevolence, which are essential for dependable relationships. Trust in relationships. Trust fosters strong personal connections by encouraging reliance and emotional safety between individuals. Trust in workplace. In professional settings, trust enhances cooperation, commitment, and effective teamwork among colleagues. The psychological foundations of trust. Cognitive factors. Trust involves cognitive processes such as evaluating past experiences and forming expectations about others' intentions. Emotional factors. Emotional aspects like feelings and perceived intentions play a crucial role in developing trust between individuals. Rebuilding trust. Understanding trust foundations helps in creating strategies to rebuild and strengthen trust in relationships. Common causes and signs of broken trust. Causes of broken trust: dishonesty, inconsistency, and unmet expectations are primary causes of broken trust and relationships. Signs of broken trust. Signs include skepticism, withdrawal, and reduced collaboration among affected individuals. Consequences of broken trust: emotional and relational impacts. Emotional consequences. Broken trust causes feelings of hurt, betrayal, and insecurity that affect emotional well being. Relationship damage. Trust issues can irreparably damage personal and professional relationships if left unresolved. Effects on teamwork and organizational culture. Impact on collaboration. Lack of trust undermines team collaboration and hampers effective communication among members. Reduced morale. Low trust lowers employee morale, leading to disengagement and dissatisfaction at work. Toxic work environment. A lack of trust fosters a toxic working culture, negatively impacting productivity and innovation. Long-term damage in communities and societies. Erosion of social cohesion. Broken trust weakens the bonds that hold communities together, leading to social fragmentation. Increase in conflict. Loss of trust contributes to heightened tensions and conflicts within societies. Hindered collective progress. Without trust, communities struggle to collaborate effectively, slowing social and economic development. Principles and steps for rebuilding. Acknowledgement and taking responsibility. Owning mistakes. Openly admitting mistakes fosters trust and demonstrates accountability without defensiveness. Restoring confidence. Taking responsibility is a crucial first step in rebuilding trust and initiating healing. Demonstrating transparency and consistency. Clear communication. Transparent and open communication fosters trust and helps clarify expectations consistently. Predictable actions. Consistent behavior reinforces reliability and reduces uncertainty in relationships and processes. Rebuilding through communication and actions, aligning words with deeds. Restoring trust requires consistency between what is said and what is done by individuals or organizations. Active listening. Trust grows by genuinely hearing others, understanding their perspectives, and validating their feelings. Commitment to change, demonstrating sincere efforts to improve, builds confidence and strengthens relationships over time. Active listening and empathy, sincere engagement, genuinely understanding others' views fosters sincere emotional connections and mutual respect. Repairing emotional connections, active listening mends emotional divides and promotes healing in relationships. Rebuilding trust. Empathy helps restore trust by validating feelings and perspectives effectively. Setting boundaries and realistic expectations. Clarifying limits. Defining personal or professional limits helps avoid misunderstandings and maintain healthy relationships. Setting achievable goals. Establishing realistic, attainable goals reduces disappointment and encourages steady progress. Building a strong foundation. Clear boundaries and realistic expectations create a solid foundation for success and well-being. Monitoring progress and fostering accountability. Regular check-ins. Consistent progress reviews help identify challenges early and maintain momentum towards goals. Shared responsibility. Collaborative ownership of tasks fosters accountability and drives collective success. Building trustworthiness. Transparent communication and follow-through strengthen trust within teams and organizations. Building a culture of trust. Openness and communication. Promoting transparent and honest communication strengthens trust within an organization or community. Respect among members. Fostering mutual respect helps build positive relationships and supports a trustworthy culture. Ethical behavior. Encouraging ethical actions and integrity strengthens the foundation of organizational trust. Promoting forgiveness and resilience, creating space for mistakes. Allowing mistakes encourages growth and learning within relationships, fostering understanding and patience. Building trust through recovery. Recovering from efforts strengthens bonds and builds lasting trust between individuals. Ongoing evaluation and adaptation. Continuous trust assessment. Regularly evaluating trust levels helps identify shifts and areas needing attention promptly. Strategy adaptation. Adapting strategies proactively supports maintaining strong trust and ongoing changes. Conclusion. Challenges in rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust requires overcoming significant challenges through patience and continuous effort. Key elements of trust. Understanding, responsibility, and transparency are essential components to restore trust effectively. Building stronger relationships. Sustained effort builds stronger, more resilient relationships and communities. Thank you.